Welcome back. This is Monty, once again from DPL Surveillance Equipment. Today we're coming out with a very ingenious item in the guise of a Sony alarm clock radio. Again, for you customers out there who've always wanted to go with brand name products that happen to be covert surveillance solutions, we're looking at integrating our covert technology into a Sony alarm clock radio. This particular Sony alarm clock radio, otherwise known as the Dream Machine on the market, actually has some very unique items, surveillance applications built right into it. In addition to the plug and play capability, right when you plug it in it starts recording, in addition to dual switching cameras that not only have color in bright light conditions but also switch automatically to black and white, in addition to motion activation and scheduling features, in addition to frame rate adjustable all the way from 1 frame rate per second all the way up to 30, and including 30 feet illumination, infrared LEDs in total darkness. You also get 120 degree micro illuminators built right into the unit. So again, these are just some of the features built into the Sony Dream Machine, so you guys can have your cake and eat it too. If you want a brand name item to put into the house, to put into the office, to put into the kid's bedroom or whatever, make sure that, if you want to make sure that the nanny sees something that looks like a traditional appliance, household appliance in the guise of a Sony Dream Machine, this is what we're offering. Some of the accessories include, of course, the remote control, which means that you get a chance to plug this unit into your TV and adjust the frame rates per second, adjust the filter masking. The filter masking is just a sophisticated way of saying you determine what areas of sensitivity are going to trigger the motion in the one portion of the room and allow motion to go unrecorded in another portion of the room or the office. This, what I'm holding in my hand, is the SD card reader and the mini USB connector and regular USB connector that plugs into your desktop or your laptop computer, and allowing you to download the video files directly into your hard drive so that you can permanently preserve those files and record them and erase them, for that matter, from the SD card. Again, we can format this unit. You can format this unit to accommodate all the way up to a 16 gigabyte SD card, which means that you guys get to record for like weeks at a time onto your SD card. This is their standard SD card. Pick it up at your local Radio Shack, Best Buy, Circuit City, Walmart, or Target. This is what we call a magnetic key, which means that there's a secret compartment hidden in all of these items. When you go to DVR-based hidden cameras on our website, the features that I've been mentioning, with the exception of infrared illumination, really applies to all of the items under DVR-based hidden cameras. That means the motion activation, the filter masking, the event recording, the scheduling, the instant plug and play capability, the ability to have dual cameras that switch automatically from color to black and white, instant playback on your TV or your PC or your desktop, laptop for that matter. All of these apply to the items under DVR-based hidden cameras. We have the complete instructions for you guys. If you want to rent this, you can rent it. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. When you rent, you get the accessories parts list, so you can make sure that you include all the items back when you rent it. We are rent to own, so that you guys who want to try out these products or you just have a temporary application, rent them for a week or 2 weeks, whatever. Apply the rental amounts to your purchase. We have instructions that go along with the unit. So again, feel free to secure it, and knowing that when the lights go out completely in the bedroom, in the office, in the garage, wherever you place these particular units, the Sony Dream Machine and the Air Ionizer, you can still record it at up to 30 feet in total darkness, which is a very, very innovative solution. We have some of the more innovative electronics engineers working for DPL Surveillance Equipment. So if you have custom applications, don't hesitate to let us know. We're able to do work miracles in a lot of situations. Again, use your Sony Dream Machine. It fits right in. No one would ever notice a difference. Have infrared illumination, has dual switching cameras, have event recording, scheduling, motion activation onto an SD card. Play it back on your TV or play it back on the on your PC. Use this RCA connector, plug it into the secret compartment in the back of the unit, plug the other end into your TV, play it back, make some configuration settings on your TV if you need to, right on the TV screen. So it was a pleasure having you guys with us today. We're talking about the most innovative products on the market offered by DPO Surveillance Equipment. Again, we want you guys to join us again on the next session. It's a pleasure having you in this session. Take care. Thanks. Bye.